Good morning, boys and girls. Today for science, we are going to be using our Exploring Light workbook. And we are looking at the page that says illumination on the top. Illumination is a real big word, and it is light. If something is illuminated, it is lit up. Objects can be seen only when they are illuminated. I'm sorry about my document camera. I don't know why it keeps going in and out like that. It started last week and it hasn't stopped. We're just trying to do the best that we can with it. When you are going camping, what will you use when it is dark to help you see? When you go camping, what might you use to help you see if it's dark out? A flashlight, right? I would definitely use a flashlight. I can't see in the dark at all whatsoever. And I don't particularly like walking around in the dark when I can't see anything. So we are going to write, maybe you said a lantern or you said something different than flashlight. You can write your answer on this line. Maybe you just said light. When you are walking into a dark room, what will you do so you can see? What will you do when you're walking into a dark room so you can see? Turn the light on, right? I usually turn the hallway light on and then turn the bedroom light on. Turn the lights on. Good job. A storm causes the electricity to go out. What will you do so you can see? What will you do so you can see at home if the power goes out? There's a couple of things that you could do. You could use a flashlight. You could have some sort of battery-operated lamp, lantern, something like that. You could also light candles. So whatever your answer is, here is what you're going to write down. I would probably light candles. But if you say that you would do something else, or you have something else, or maybe you have a generator that you would hook up, you could write that there. You write your answer there. Okay? All right. So now for illumination, we need light to see. It says look around your classroom, but I want you to look around your house. And then on the clipboard, I want you to make a list of all the things that you can see. So for example, if I'm looking around the classroom right now, I can see everything that's on my desk. Like I see my computer and the paper and my pen, everything that's on my desk. But if I look across the room, I can also see, the books in the book area. I can see the writing center that's set up. I can see the stuff on the counter. There's the Keurig, the microwave, there's a flower, there's a candle. I can see the Chromebook carts across the room. I can see the cupboards. I can see chairs and tables. So I can see all sorts of things. What are some of the things that you can see when you look around your room or your house? You write those down on your little clipboard image.